Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and it's a halo eye. Who remembers and who's been around since day one and knows that I was like the self-proclaimed halo eye queen? Because I haven't done one in so long. I miss them. I'm going to start bringing them back. I'm going to start doing some halo looks again. I wanted to try like a different kind of technique today on how to achieve that halo look. I usually do it a little bit different. So the next video, or maybe in a few videos, I'm going to try to do a look doing the way that I used to do it. And you can compare and see which way you like better. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Sigma Cinderella palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Cinders. Going in with the E27 detail blending brush, I'm going to start just mapping out the shadow. So I'm going kind of down into an angle, stopping it right on this outer third of my lid. And then I'm going to bring this back. I'm kind of creating an outer V shape to the shadow. And we're going to wing out the outer corner. Just like that. And then kind of doing the same thing on the inner part. So I'm just applying this right here and a little bit on the crease area as well. And then kind of just bringing this a little bit on an angle. I'm now going to start lightly just blending this out. I'm making sure to avoid the center, so not applying any of this shadow in the center of my crease. I'm now going into Pumpkin. Now going in with my E38 diffuse crease brush, and lightly, I'm using a really light hand. I'm applying this at the highest point of the crease, and now we're going to bring this through the center and connecting it to the inner part. And I'm just going to start going back and forth, blending this out. You can also blend out this area, making sure that everything is really nice and seamless and going out into a winged out shape. After that's blended out, basically what I'm just going to do is go back and deepen this and then blend it out a little bit more, and kind of just going back and forth between those two shadows just to get the intensity of the shadows that I like. Now going in with Cinders on my E15 flat definer brush, I'm going to apply this really close to my lash line. Now to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm picking up Pumpkin on my E27 blending brush. As a base, I'm going to the Beauty Creations Color Base Primer in Ballerina Girl. I'm going to tap this in on the center of my lid. I'm going into the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Ladybird. Now picking up this beautiful shadow, I'm going to apply this in the center and just look at that. I feel like the camera doesn't even do justice to how pretty this shadow really is. And then just picking up a little bit more of Cinders and just blending out the edges, making sure that it's really seamless and diffused. And then with a little bit more of Cinders, just applying this in the center of the lash line, just to add a little bit of definition. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition, I'm now going to line my upper waterline, and then line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm using the Tati Lashes in TL19, and that's the eye look done. For my lips, I want to use one of the lipsticks that was part of the Cinderella collection with Sigma, so I'm going to go into this liquid lipstick in Dreamy. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to try it on. And that is it. This is the completed look of my brown halo smoky eye. I hope that you enjoyed. I loved trying out a different technique. I feel like the way that I used to do my halo looks is definitely way easier. I am going to do, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to do another tutorial showing you guys how I used to do my halo looks, and I just miss them. I want to go back to those roots, you know? So don't forget to follow me on both my Instagrams now, Paulina Nailed It for my nails and Paulina_Elia for makeup. And all the products that I used today along with brushes will be listed down below for you to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!